3, 2,
This
1.
is how you buy shares on the Afrinvestor 2.0 app. So once you hit the app, okay, it's going to take you here. This is the home page. You can see fund wallet. You can see your portfolio value. So if you want to buy shares, you look down below, you see invest. Now once you hit invest, you're going to see Nigerian stocks. So you pick the stock here, or you find it on this list. Then you hit buy again. That if you've bought before, or you buy, then the other option is sell. You don't need that now. So now this is where you fill this buy form, good for the day, the limit price you wish to buy, and also that's the amount of money in naira. Okay, that's the limit price. Okay, so this is the limit price you're setting. Okay, and you're also going to impute the number of shares you wish to buy with that limit price. So you can see I imputed 2,000 naira. That's my limit price, and I hope I find a buy at this price with this number of shares. Okay, so now once that's complete, you hit buy access corps. Now it takes you to the order summary, everything you need to do, commission, fees, and total that's going to be withdrawn from your naira wallet. Okay, so you can see you just hit buy now. Now once you hit buy now, it's going to actually execute. Okay, if it's successful, it will go through. If it's not successful, it will tell you Nigerian stocks. So you put the amount you want to deposit, and is it credit card or bank transfer? You choose your channel, and you just complete